So here at Laser Spa Group, there are so many different procedures that you can get. This half hour, we're focusing on something called microblading. And I'm here with Bozana of Laser Spa. Hello, Bozana.
Hello.
And our eyebrow model, Christina. Hello, Christina. Take us through microblading, Bozana.
Microblading is a relatively new procedure. We've perfected the procedure from the traditional permanent makeup. So we're actually creating hair-like strokes in the eyebrow. So this way the client can wake up with makeup. So they don't have to put on their eyebrow pencil anymore. They just wake up and their eyebrows are perfectly done.
In your opinion, would the eyebrows be the most important feature on somebody's face?
Absolutely. I find the eyebrows, the eyelash area is the most important feature. People don't want to wake up and again having to draw them on. I find it to be more important than even than lipstick.
Is it almost like a tattoo?
It is like a tattoo. We're not actually going as deep as we normally would with a tattoo gun and traditional tattoos. So it's semi-permanent, it's not permanent. So the client would have to come back once a year to do a retreatment in the area because the pigment will fade somewhat.
But still, them coming back once a year is so much better than them doing it every single day.
Absolutely.
And who do you find gets this procedure done?
Typically people that have overplucked over the years. A lot of people have very sparse eyebrows. In the 90s we used to pluck a little too much out. People that have alopecia, people that have gone through cancer treatments that have minimal eyebrows left. It's a great way to implement the natural eyebrow again.
And the trend with eyebrows, women's eyebrows, is it a bushier eyebrow?
It is. So this is why we want to add a little bit more volume and to create natural hair-like strokes and not the traditional, the older magic marker look that Pamela Anderson used to have.
Right, okay. We have lots more to talk about. We are going to tackle microneedling.
Yes.
We are going to tackle something called cool sculpting.
Yes.
And a little skin tightening that perhaps somebody might get involved in when we return here to Laser Spa Group on Morning Live. So we have the lovely Jackie. Here is our model today. Thank you for helping us out, Jackie. And last half hour here at Laser Spa Group, we did microblading.
Yes.
Back here with Bozana. This half hour, microneedling.
Microneedling, yes, so it's a great resurfacing treatment, great for any skin color. We offer two different skin resurfacing procedures, Fraxel, which is a laser treatment, and also microneedling. With laser treatments, you have to have no sun exposure, so this is something great that you can actually do throughout the summertime.
Okay. What does it do?
Microneedling, so we're creating micro injuries into the skin. So people who want textural improvements in the skin, whether it's stretch marks, it could be acne scarring, it could be enlarged pores, it can be fine lines and wrinkles. And typically we like to do at least 3 treatments spaced 6 weeks apart.
And would you start to see the results right away?
I'd say it takes 55 days typically for the skin to regenerate. So you want to see, you'll see an improvement after about a month. So the results are both immediate and progressive.
And who are the type of people that would get it done?
So, you know, we have some young clients that would want to get rid of their acne scarring. So we have clients in their 20s coming in for acne scar treatments.
So that would be permanent?
That would be permanent. So yes, so for acne scarring patients or clients, it is permanent because that's not something that's age related. So for fine lines, wrinkles, and just general resurfacing, the client can come maybe once every 18 months to redo a procedure.
How many procedures do you have here?
Oh, we have a lot of procedures.
I was going to say, I came in today, I'm like, I'll take one of everything. That might take a little while.
Yeah, but which is why we have that VIP program. So the client can choose from 2 different programs, and we have an a la carte menu from 4 different treatments a month. It's an affordable way to come back and maintain your skin health.
What's the question that you always get?
Oh,
safety, is that a question?
Safety,
right.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're always safety compliant. We have, with lasers, you're always wearing your goggles during the procedure. We're always wearing our gloves. So safety is very important here.
Cool sculpting.
Yes.
So that's something, it's pretty neat. And we're going to talk about that next half hour when we come back. And we'll also have skin tightening come up.
Yes.
Coming up when we return with the lovely Jackie and Christina and Bozana here at the Laser Spa Group on Morning Live. Cool sculpting is what we're tackling here at Laser Spa Group. Jackie has volunteered once again. Thank you, Jackie. Back here with Bolzana. What is cool sculpting?
So cool sculpting is a way to remove the fat from different parts of the body permanently. So it's non-invasive. It's a great alternative to liposuction. We can treat anywhere from the abdomen, which is probably one of the most popular areas we do, inner thighs, outer thighs, arms, and chin.
How long has this been around for?
Cool sculpting has been around for quite a long time. There were some Harvard scientists who discovered this, the form of cryolipolysis, where children were eating popsicles and the children would develop dimples in the area. So something called popsicle pediculitis.
Really?
Yes.
So they saw that was
Removing
the fat.
Yes, cold.
And they
Low
translated that into cool sculpting.
Yes.
So where's the fat going?
So the fat is getting excreted through their body, through your natural lymphatic system. So at about the 4 to 5 week mark, she'll start to see an improvement in the area being treated. Typical, your best results are usually at the 3-month period. And there's no real discomfort during the treatment.
Okay, so Jackie's getting it done now, so she won't see those results for 3 months.
Yes, absolutely. So she'll start to see a thinning and she'll start to feel, see a result at the 4-week mark, but the true result is 3 months and it keeps getting better and better.
And how long are the treatments?
The treatments are 1 hour per cycle, so it's something that she can do on her lunch hour, depending on how many areas she wants to treat. If she was treating upper abdomen, lower abdomen, and love handles, she would be here for 3 or 4 hours. We would, give the client lunch and whatnot.
Because what other, so this, in this area, love handles, midsection,
yeah.
where else?
Men and women, we can do, some men can come and do their chest area.
Okay.
We do a lot of chins now as well. We do arm, and then also the outer thigh. There needs to be a bit of a prominent peak, and we can do saddlebags.
Can anybody do it? Like, is it for anybody? Can you be too skinny?
Well, yeah, I mean, you have to have enough skin to pinch into the applicator. There's a bit of a vacuum suction, so you have to have enough pinchable fat, as opposed to the love or the saddlebags are the only area where we have a flat applicator.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be a lot of fat.
Jackie, does it hurt?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't hurt.
Are you telling us the truth?
I'm telling the truth.
Okay, we'll be
It
back.
doesn't hurt.
One more for you, because we haven't tackled skin tightening.
Yes.
And that's what we're going to do next half hour when we come back with Bolzana and Jackie here at the Laser Spa Group on Hess here in Hamilton. I have no idea how Bolzana convinced me to do this, but here I am, getting a little skin tightening done, Bolzana. So
Yes.
take me through skin tightening. What are you doing?
Skin tightening is a radiofrequency treatment. It's non-invasive. This is something that you can do the day before an event or the day of an event. Typically, you want to do a series of treatments close together, about 4 treatments a week apart. Your 5th and 6th treatment 2 weeks thereafter. You do get a bit of immediate constriction for the first 3 days, but the true result you'll see after about 3 to 4 months. The skin will just evolve and get better and better.
Because it's really warm. What's it doing?
It is warm, so we're stimulating the collagen. We're improving the collagen of the skin. We're helping any fine lines in the skin. We're improving the laxity of the skin. A great area to do would be the neck, the jowl area. We have different hand pieces for different body parts, so we have a larger hand piece for abdomen. We sometimes do skin tightening post cool sculpting procedures as well to help tighten any laxity after the treatment. The eye area is a great add-on to facials. A lot of men like to do this. It's non-invasive. It's a great add-on to even Botox. So some people want an instant lift with Botox, but this is a great way to start.
So is this comparing to Botox?
Yeah.
Like,
well, it's good to do both. If you want more of an instant result, so Botox, you usually see the results after 2 to 3 days, whereas this is something that you would see over time. So we like to do a before and after pictures, and then you'll see great improvement after a few months. Non-invasive, and anybody can do it.
age range? Like, when can you start doing it? Is it ever too young?
Yeah, well, we lose 2% of our collagen every year from the moment we turn 21 years old. So this is a great way to actually maintain the skin health of your skin, and then to do touch-up treatments thereafter. So 6 is usually recommended, but you can do 1 treatment per decade of life. So if you're 20, you would need 2 treatments. If you're 30, you would need just 3 treatments.
And you would compare it, let's say, if my driver's license, I would look.
Oh yes, exactly. So a lot of what I tell my clients, it isn't a facelift, but we can make you look like your driver's license 5 years ago.
Really?
Yes.
All right.
Who doesn't want that?
Yeah. So this is just one of many, many procedures that they have here at Laser Spa Group. And you have a monthly subscription, is it, Bozana?
Yes, we do. We have 2 different membership programs, the primary membership and VIP membership. In the VIP, it's $247 a month, and then you get to choose 4 different treatments a month. And it's an affordable way to come back into the spa to do peels, to do microdermabrasion, to do skin tightening, to do photo rejuvenation, cellulite and body contouring. There's so many different options. So you're not limited to just a handful of things. It just depends on what your skin or body needs at that time.
I don't want to take Jackie's job as your model, but how am I doing here?
They're doing great. It's looking fabulous. There's no pain. There's no discomfort. So it's a beautiful treatment.
Thank you, Bozana. You're located
welcome.
right on here on Hess.
On Hess, yes.
Okay,
and
36 Hess?
36 Hess Street South.
Right on. Are we just going to do the one side, or should we do the
Oh, let's do the other side too. We're leaving it out.